Yeah, so mag-swimming tayo. So guys, Stephanie's gonna try the paddle board for today, and yeah, look at that. It doesn't want to lose it, but me, I'm gonna try the fins and the snorkeling, the goggles. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, fudge! Look at that. Now let's go and leave him alone. Yeah, it is fine. It was. There, he's trying the paddle, guys. Oh, I got another chemical. I got.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things have to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
Sabi ko, welcome back. Ayan, laki ng uko. Ayan, ang ating status. Super nice. Sarap ng ganito. This is paradise, guys. We finished. Huh?
Ik kan niet zien, hè? Snap je?
Tapos na kami and bumalik na kami sa bahay. Salamat si ang sarap ng nilagay ko. Let's go! Let's go back.
Ja, bedoel ik het voor
Yeah, the one.